Are you ready to boost your DocuSign game with something beyond just signatures? Today, we're diving into DocuSign stamps, a feature that's perfect for adding official seals, approvals, or important marks directly onto your documents. So let's get started. Stamps let you quickly and easily add visual cues to your documents. Think of them as digital versions of the rubber stamps you'd find in a traditional office. DocuSign offers a selection of pre-made stamps, but the real power lies in custom stamps. You can upload your company logo, an official seal, or any image that represents an approval or verification. Applying a stamp is simple. Just select the stamp you want to use, and then drag and drop it onto the desired location within the document. You can resize it and move it around until it's perfectly placed. Stamps enhance document integrity by visually confirming that a document has been reviewed, approved, or processed by a specific department or individual. They also improve clarity. Instead of relying on written notes or comments, stamps provide an instant, visual cue about the document's status. So, give DocuSign stamps a try. They're a fantastic way to add professionalism, clarity, and a little extra security to your documents.